Before we begin, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and like the video. Also, feel free to leave comments so that I can make future improvements on tutorial videos. Claim your student accounts. Make sure that you head to the Birmingham City Schools main web page and click Student and Parents. Students and Parents. From that link, you will be directed to the Student and Parents directory, and where you will go is Student and Parents Home. And this is where you'll be able to claim your accounts. So when you click here, choose Claim Your Account Now, and then you can get started by clicking this link here. And at this point, make sure that you do switch to student, and then from here you can put in your student number and create yourself a new password so that you can have access to Clever and Schoology.